In this video, we are going to fix Hello Wars to Microsoft Store error download. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to restart your computer. Yes, you need to restart your computer because in some of the cases, the moment you will restart your PC, your problem will be fixed. However, if not, then I want you to check for pending update. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. At day settings, navigate to the left pane, click on Windows Update. And from here, please proceed to the section and go with check for updates or resume updates, okay? So wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to fix the problem and make improvements on your PC. And once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved, okay? Another solution that you can do as well is that press Windows key and R key together, and in this small window, please type for wsreset.exe. This will help you to clear the cache, the junk files in your Microsoft Store. Click on OK button, wait until this would be done, and once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.